Welcome to Ryan's World.
Hi guys! Where are we going today?
Light trail.
Christmas lights, let's go! Alright guys, we're getting close. I see lights. Okay, it's super dark, but hi! Oh yay!
Hi,
Hi kids!
but it's so dark, that's why you can't see.
Oh, I see you now, Kay. Cutie. Yay for iPad power. We got some lights. Hi. Hi, Kay. Whoa. Look
Oh,
at
whoa.
this. Whoa. Do you guys see?
Yeah.
Whoa, I see the reindeer.
Whoa, look at this entrance.
Reindeer crossing.
Yeah. Whee. You guys see the reindeers? Right? You like it?
Whoa, Santa Claus!
Whoa, look at this. The Rudolph. You guys see it? How is he looking? He's mean? He blinks? Oh, I like this. This is really cool. I know, Kay. It's a drive-thru. And we also bought some Christmas lights. Look. A necklace. Hi, Kate. Hi, I like your lights.
Very cool.
I know. Oh, I love the trees.
All those like stars.
Yeah, what are those? Oh, I love the trees, the Christmas star trees.
If
Yeah.
they really wanted to, they could make something that looks like UFOs.
True that.
I like those over there.
You like that over there?
Yeah, those over there. I like that.
Oh, we're gonna go through a tunnel soon. Through a tunnel. You guys ready?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Are you ready for this, Daddy?
Yeah. Let's work. We're going to time tunnel.
Oh, I wish it was.
Whoa. Oh.
Wait, I wanted to be rainbow. While we're going through this, I want it to be rainbow. There's like a stage where it becomes all rainbow.
Yeah.
There it is. It was rainbow for them.
Oh. Whoa. You see different colors?
Just wrap the rainbow. The instrument left it was rainbow. I want to do it again.
You want to do that again? Ooh, ornaments.
Wow. I'm thinking Elsa.
It looks like Elsa. Ooh, on the side, guys. Oh, I love the sides.
Whoa.
We made it.
We made it. And Ryan has some seaweed, of course.
Yeah. I want to eat some seaweed.
Sharing is
Wait, look at
caring.
Santa Claus. He's talking.
Oh, hi, Santa. He's like, ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho. Guys, do you guys spot the elf in a Christmas tree talking?
Where?
You see him?
There it is. I see an elf.
You see it? You see the Christmas tree?
Uh-uh.
No?
Oh, yeah. The star with the Christmas tree. I like that.
You like that? Oh, this is beautiful.
Mama, what is it? I can't.
You see a tree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see Ola.
You do? I see two Santas.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, I do see Olaf. Emma, wow.
I see it. Mommy, there's a sheriff snowman. Sheriff
Oh,
snowman.
you're right.
Snowman.
What?
Snowflake. Snowflake.
Snowman cake?
Snowflake. I like the snowflake tree. Snowflake.
Snowflakes? Oh, the snowflakes is beautiful. I like it. Look at this. That's pretty. And I see a cow. And is that a fairy
Wait, look.
or an angel?
Oh, another tunnel, guys.
Oh, a tunnel! It's gonna be awesome, tunnel! Woohoo!
Oh, whoa, this one's cooler. Look at it.
Oh, yeah. Wait, Daddy, I see another tunnel.
Whoa.
Looks like a warp machine,
I
huh?
see another tunnel that's super duper big over there. Yeah, it's super
Ooh,
big.
this is pretty.
Okay.
Wow. Whee, tunnel. talking light bulb?
Oh yeah. A light bulb that's talking made out of light bulb.
Yeah, you're right. That's funny.
And the eyes made of light bulb.
You're right, Emma. Hi.
Last one
Is that
tunnel.
it?
Is that it? Are we done? Oh, a little tunnel. Was that 15 minutes, Daddy?
Maybe more than 5 minutes. Did I go too fast?
I don't know, maybe. It's okay.
Hi guys.
Are you guys ready to go on a fun adventure?
Yeah.
So today we're at this castle. You guys see it?
Do we get to go in?
Of course, yeah, we're gonna go.
Yeah, right now?
Yeah.
Yay! Alright guys, let's go in.
Whoa. Oh, my grandma's here. Oh. Magical winter lights. Hi. We're going in. Let's go. Wow. Look at these cool lights. You like it? Oh, I know. Why is here? Oh, yeah, way up there. We'll get a closer look. There's lights. Oh, so this light is really cool, right? It looks like a waterfall. Does it? Yeah. Oh, this is really cool. The octopus. Hi. Shark. Ooh, the submarine. Wow. What do you guys think? Mr. Turtle. What do you guys think?
That's cool. It's
Right?
like an amusement park.
Yeah.
Let's go to the teleport.
Whoa. Through the portal. Whoa.
We ended up 20 feet away.
Whoa, this is really cool though. Right? Look at that NASA rock. Wow. Ooh, look at the planets. Saturn? Wow. Whoa, through another tunnel. Hi. Hi. Whoa, this is really cool. The Cinderella carriage, yeah. Wow, it's like an ice castle. Oh, wow. Hi. Oh, look, it's Santa. How is it?
Fun so far. The giant Christmas tree, even though it's after Christmas.
Yeah, it's after Christmas. Whoa, hi. Look at that giant tree. Wow. All right, guys, we entered the carnival. So you ready?
Entering Blackner's Carnival.
Do you want to ride some rides?
Yeah.
You think you're up for it?
Yeah.
Carnival.
Magical winter light.
Okay, there's many carnival rides. Okay, they're sitting right there. Daddy. There's Daddy. How is it? Good. Alright guys, Ryan's gonna play a game.
So how do I play?
Yeah, throw the ping pong ball to the
So there's a
bucket.
ball and you have to put it into a bucket. Yeah.
Oh, so close. Gotta do a ping pong.
I get both of them.
So this one. Two more. That's it. Good job.
I look like the upside down on that one.
Would you guys do that ride? That looks kind of high, huh? Whoa. Okay, we're doing this basketball game. Come on, buddy. Wow, you made it.
Oh,
small ones down here. The star? Cute! Yay! Aww. So Ryan got a star. Nice! Hey guys! This is the house!
And then Daddy's buying the cotton candy, and then we're gonna go on the train after the horse.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Cute! Hi guys! Hi! Next ride. Hi guys!
Mommy, we'll see you later.
Hi! You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's get it right.
Whoa! How was it? Good?
No.
Nobody scared? No. Are you sure? Were you scared, Ryan? No. Hi, Emma. Hi, guys. How was the ride? Good. You like it? How was the ride? You want to do that one? Yeah, right? Okay, so look at this sign. It's really cool.
Hey guys, we're at the light show. And I got some rainbow popcorn.
Yum! Whoa, look at this place. Whoa.
Oh, there's Santa Claus, guys.
Nice! Here's Santa.
Hi Santa.
Daddy says he wants some popcorn, guys. Here you go.
They literally gave me one.
Yeah, that's all you need, Daddy. Oh, hey, snowman. Oh, wow.
That's the best light show ever.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Jingle bell, Batman smells, Robin laying.
And
Batmobile has lost his will.
whoa.
Where? Oh, yeah, police mobile. Oh, there's a whale there. What is that right there, guys? It's a fire truck. And Santa in a helicopter. Okay, and then what is this over here? Yeah. Do you guys see it?
Yeah.
How's your popcorn?
Right.
Good. Whoa. Okay, this Christmas part is cool. Look at the trees. So many trees.
It looks like we're in a Christmas world.
We are, huh? The lights just got crazy.
Best day ever.
Whee!
Oh, that was like a real Christmas tree. Oh, look, the tunnel.
Wow.
You guys see the tunnel?
Yeah.
Going through it.
Woohoo!
We're going through a tunnel. Oh yeah. All right.
We're gonna time travel.
Know where we're going?
Where are we going?
We're gonna go back on time, guys.
Oh,
back,
no.
Oh, back to the future. Look. Oh my gosh, we're going to the future.
This is really cool. This is probably the best part.
Yeah. I never got into this one.
All right, let's party in the tunnel.
Party in the tunnel.
Party in the tunnel. Party in the tunnel.
Oh, there's almost the end of the tunnel.
No, where are we gonna go? All right, guys, we're outside now.
Oh, look at that lighting up.
To the tunnel. Hey, look, there's Mr. Claus and Santa. Hi. Whoa. You guys see it?
That's great. Best day ever. Best day ever.
Whoa.
That's over there.
Santa? would you ask Santa?
So I asked Santa how he got to white, and he got to white because as he was sledding on the sled, and he was on his reindeer. So his reindeer riding.
Oh, so his reindeer took him to Hawaii?
Welcome to Hawaii, Santa.
Welcome, aloha.
Aloha. Aloha. It's a beautiful day, and here's what I have to say. The sounder, let's do the color, yay. One more time.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna go to a very cold area.
It's 9 degrees out there. You ready?
Yes.
Whoa.
Whoa. Wow. It's beautiful. Whoa.
This is all ice.
Yes, all real ice.
Whoa.
Whoa, hey Santa. Wow. Real ice. Wow. Woo, hi. The snow globe.
Oh, they're ice skating.
Wow. Wow. Rocket ship and the Statue of Liberty. Wow. Is that seaweed? This kid.
Yeah.
Wow. How? Wow. How are you guys doing this?
Yeah, traveling around.
Yeah. I feel it. Wow. All ice. Oh, wow.
That's Japan.
Oh, nice. We're entering China. Woo.
The tunnel.
Tunnel.
Oh, the ice.
Wow.
Extra cold inside.
This is so cool. Ooh. Whoa, there's 2 ways to go.
It's like a maze. Which
Yeah.
way? Which way? What is that?
Oh,
A window.
yeah. Ooh, Egypt. Camel. Whoa, another camel. Very cool.
This is what? Russia?
Yeah.
Cool.
Christmas trees. Oh, these little Russian dogs.
Yeah.
Love it. Whoa. Oh, okay, we gotta get the slide.
Oh,
Whoa. And Santa. Ho, ho, ho.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go on a slide. I'm trying over there. I'll see you there.
All right, Sean's coming.
That's fun. How'd it go?
That was fun, but so cold. Okay, guys, this is an ice table. This is really cool.
I thought it was cool that day.
All right, there's a phone. Whoa, like a ball pit. Wow. Ooh, whoa, like a house. I can't believe.
Look how they have lights
Ice.
inside.
Yeah. Presents. Wow. Whoa. Look at the turtles.
This is all ice too?
I know, all ice. Whoever sculpted it is amazing. Whoa. Shark. Dolphins. That's it. That was our ice adventure. Was it fun?
Look at my glasses.
Foggy.
So cool.
Okay guys, that was super fun. So let's check out other stuff, okay? Hey guys, we are at the rainforest. Not a real one, but lots of cool animals.
Yeah, I already saw monkey, otter, fish.
Alright, let's show you around. Hi. Aww. Hi. Aww.
Maybe they're twins.
Twinsies.
Aww.
Whoa.
Oh.
Ooh, flew away.
Aw.
What do they do? I can't tell what they're doing.
Oh yeah, I think it looks like they're eating.
I don't know. Aww. tell if they're kissing or fighting. Alright guys, now we're entering the cloud forest.
It's got future.
Woo-wee. Alright, let's see if we can find any animals here. See anything?
Uh.
Oh, so there it is. I'll zoom in. You guys see it? It's right there. Whoa. Alright. There's a Charmeleon up there.
Charmander.
Hi. And there's a snake right there. He's just chilling, looking at his brother up there sleeping. There's another one right up close and personal.
3 brothers.
Whoa. Alright guys, let's see if we can see anything else. You see anything?
Right here. Look how big it is.
Whoa.
Komodo dragon.
It's standing so still, looks like a stone.
Right.
Right? Wow.
Is he real?
Right? Hi.
I think I just saw him blinking.
Oh, it's moving. Hi. Ooh, and there's fish. And more fish. And you can see a bird that's eating. Hi. Here. Oh, wow.
They're a little smell.
Oh, okay.
And then earthworm.
Hey guys, there's some sort of monkey or something up there. Look at that. Look, they're moving.
The long hair.
Yeah. And there's a bird right there. Oh, and look, there's a bird coming. Uh-oh. It is beautiful. Oh, it's waiting for us. Hi.
Bye.
Bye. Have fun on your adventure. All right, guys, look. Whoa. Whoa, there's like a bigger fish here. Like a giant fish tank. Hi. Stingray. Birds over there. Turtles. And then parrots. Hi. Do you see it, Sean?
No, I see it. Look. It's huge. It's called anaconda.
Wow.
It's a huge snake. Where is he? Is he inside the water?
Yeah.
How is he breathing?
I don't know. All these other fish around. How are they okay just chilling next to the anaconda?
Yeah.
Oh. Hi. There's just a whole bunch of birds just hanging out. Scarlet Splash Zone. Oh no.
Huh?
Sean, it's Scarlet Splash Zone.
What does that mean?
I mean, it could splash some.
Oh, no more.
We better get out. Oh, look how cool they are, though. Hi.
Don't mind me. I'm sorry.
Oh, look at this fish. It's like a bald-looking fish. Hi. Okay, guys, now we're doing the Festival of Lights. Look at so many Christmas lights. Whoa. And Sean is super hungry.
I'm hungry. No.
But every place is closed. No
Honey,
food.
I want corn dog.
Santa. Horsey. Whoa. Alligator. Christmas tree. Some swans. Fireplace.
Oh,
waiting
yeah.
for Santa. Ooh, more lights. Turtles. Lights. Right? Guys, we're going through the tunnel of lights. Woo! Yeah, it looks like a frog is jumping. You guys see that? Whee! And a fish. Woo! Look who I found is Combo Panda's brother or sister or cousin. You let me know, Combo. Cute. A whole row of them. Okay, guys, we're back at the hotel. But look how cute it is. Oh no, the train is down. Look at the cute train. Oh look, people are skating. Look at that, that's kind of cool. Look, people are skating. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Hi guys. So we are gonna go to a party and Ryan, Emma, and Kate is staying home with Grandma. So let's go to the party.
Hi guys, so today Daddy is going to attempt to build a
Christmas tree.
Oh, Mommy bought this huge Christmas tree. How tall is it supposed to be?
13.5 feet.
5 feet.
It comes in 4 boxes. So Daddy is gonna build it, right? Is it heavy, Ryan?
Push it though.
Whoa. We're gonna attempt to put it right there. Yeah, because all the other years, we had like really small trees. So this year I thought, since we got a new house, we should build a giant tree right here.
It's not much bigger the better.
Yeah, except Daddy has to do all the work. I'll help decorate though.
I want to decorate too.
And Ryan, you know what's bad, Ryan? We don't have a ladder.
Oh.
What are you
doing? It's
I
13
don't
feet tall.
know.
Maybe upstairs.
I know. Maybe you can just finish building from the 2nd floor. All right, Daddy, let's get started.
I can smell the failure already. Go well.
Let's test it out.
I'll try. All right. Ooh. What is this? It's so
Well,
bad.
the sheet of paper says
It's gonna take like 3
Quick.
quick
minutes.
setup.
I don't believe it. Every time it says quick setup, it's not quick.
And
Whoa.
also said you're like a 6-year-old or something, and it takes like so long.
I know. Whoa.
Okay.
So it comes in like tiny parts.
That's good.
I like the sounds.
Oh, that's gonna be the very top, right?
Oh, really? The tip top?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, but it's super heavy already.
Oh, I need to go buy a star or something to put on top.
Guys, I used to love these.
Oh, yeah. Well, we can play with this while Daddy's set up.
Oh my gosh!
What happened?
Look at this. The
Whoa.
tree part looks realistic.
Whoa.
Looks like a real tree.
Yeah.
I literally dance for them and try to fall.
Go, Ryan. It's heavy? Oh, no.
Oh, I'm trying to get there. I'm popping so much. Look.
Ooh. Can you try to do the floss on it? Hey, Daddy's over there just building. How you feeling?
Good.
Oh, Mommy's gonna do popping too. Ah! Ah! That's fun. Hey, Daddy. Good job. Box 1 done and 3 more to go. Yeah. Except you gotta build it, so. How's it going, Daddy? Wow, it comes with gloves?
Yeah, that means it's for real.
Oh, wow.
It requires real.
Oh, no. It actually needs another person, Daddy. It comes with 2 gloves. That means you need help.
I know.
But you're gonna do a 2-man job with just by yourself? What are those?
Oh, it's an extra light bulbs.
Oh,
Just in case you break
so we
one.
got the stand here. Ryan's gonna help unpack.
Now I got a bigger ladder than this one, Daddy. I
Yeah.
hope you good luck.
Actually, it's only slightly bigger.
All right, Ryan, let's get away from Daddy. So just in case the top falls. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, we go this way. We stand way over here, Daddy. Good luck. We'll watch you from afar. You think Daddy can do it?
Maybe.
Hopefully, huh? Oh my, this is the moment of truth, guys. Can he reach
No
the tree?
way.
You think he can do it?
He can't.
He can't? Oh!
Daddy, you're breaking it. Oh my. Daddy broke it. Uh-oh. Oh, that looks heavy.
It's not easy, guys. We should have gotten a smaller tree. Okay, so we can't do it. It's way too tall. So we're probably gonna have to get a taller ladder. So yeah. Stay tuned. Okay, so we got a way bigger ladder. You got this. I'm here for moral support.
Epic sound effect.
Good job. You did it. High five. Okay, so what are you doing next?
Trying to connect all the cables together.
Oh, to make sure.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, guys, we got it to work. Look at this.
Whoa. Thanks to Daddy, right? Hey, Emma Kay, are you ready to see?
Yeah. I'm okay.
Yeah?
The tree is magical. Look. 3, 2, 1.
You like it?
I'm doing that.
She wants to do it. The light. You see the penguin that Ryan put on? Yeah, we still have to decorate the rest, but we wanted to show you guys. The light? Emma turning on the light. Good job, Emma. You did it.
She fell down.
Go, Emma. Go, Emma. Go, Kate. Go, Emma. Go, Kate.
Combo.
You want combo? Here you go, combo. Combo bunga. You want to do it again? Okay. Go, Emma. Go, Kate. You putting toys in there in the gingerbread house?
Yeah.
Oh, you climbing out the window? Ah, I see you, Emma. Oh, where's Emma? Where's Emma? Ah, where Emma? Emma go? Ah, Emma go. Where'd Kate go? Where Kate and Emma? You guys hiding? Emma Kate's hiding, Daddy. Go hide, hide, hide. Hide.
I'm gonna find you guys. Emma Kate.
Emma Kate's hiding.
Where are they?
I don't know where they are. They're hiding really good.
Oh, I found you.
You're gonna go out the window? Now they're decorating and Emma's helping put up the ornaments. Thank you, Emma. Oh, you start cleaning up? Thank you, Kate. Yeah, we have a mess everywhere. We're trying to decorate, so this is what the tree looks like so far. Whee! And there's a cute snowman.
Ah.
What? Oh, look, cute little dog. Cute.
I want to hold it.
You want to hold it? Yeah, you can hold it. Mom's on a tall ladder up there, putting up the high ones. Too high? You can put it here, Emma. Why don't you put it?
You're too high.
She's too high? Super high. Whoa. Be careful, Bangwai, right? Did you say be careful?
This is what we did with our Christmas tree. I hope Santa gives me some good presents. Now I'm gonna sleep. Bye.
Bye, Ryan. And this is our Christmas tree. What do you guys think? Woo! We just need a star on top, right?
Happy New Year, everybody.
It's 2019.
Yeah!
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 In order for us to celebrate this new year, we have lots of fireworks. Like this giant one we've never seen before. This is so big. And these are swords, fireworks. What?
Yeah!
What? This is new. A ladybug firework? Oh yeah, kind of look like a ladybug. And red car.
Harmony Turbo.
And we have a fun park with bunch of stuff we can do.
Emma and Kate's not here because they're with Grandma. Let's get started!
Yeah! Ryan and I are gonna do the fun part.
First, we're gonna test out this sword. Yeah!
It's gonna be so cool because it's gonna be a fire from my sword.
Whoa.
So, you ready, Ryan? Oh, he's ready. Alright, let's light it up. Oh, there you go. Whoa, I'm gonna do it.
Whoa.
I'm
Whoa.
going to.
Whoa. You guys. Whoa. Daddy, where are you going? Whoa, Ryan. Whoa, it's out. That's so cool.
Next, we're gonna try the sparkle. Hi-ya!
Ooh.
Whoa.
Hey, let's see if you can see this up.
Ooh, that's cool.
I'll trying to make a heart shape.
Oh, you guys see the heart shape Daddy's trying to make?
Magic spell. Hi-ya!
Next one is going to be the car.
Looks cool.
I wonder if it's gonna move. So you light it up.
Yeah, I'll definitely move.
There's
I'm
the
a
car.
giant.
You're a giant. Oh no! Oh no! Ah!
We're gonna go.
Gonna go.
Whoa, that's so loud.
Whoa! Oh, Ryan, be careful!
That is so scary. No, I'm not getting this.
Ah.
Oh, how was that?
I never want to hear that again.
That was so loud, right? Yeah. That is huge.
And I have to sit on the ground because it's a
Oh my,
it's
Ryan, you gotta be
What?
super careful, okay?
Okay.
The instruction says it's supposed to look like a smiley face. I don't know.
You guys ready?
Yep,
Scared.
me too. Run! Oh. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, I don't see a smiley face though.
Whew, that was scary.
Did you see, Ryan?
Yeah, I saw. That was cool.
The kit has some other cool stuff in
This
there.
one seems fun.
What does it say?
This one says Fiesta Grande.
Oh, big party?
I'm scared of you.
Whoa! Oh, Daddy dancing! Woohoo! Be careful, Daddy. Wow. Oh, that was cool.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah. What's next?
Oh, I want to try this. Kaku.
Cuckoo! What is that? Cuckoo! Oh, there it is, guys. Whoa. How was that?
Very cool.
That was cool.
Whoa, this one says Solar
What is that?
Blaze.
Whoa, solar blaze. Okay, let's try that.
Oh, there you go. Just look at the yellow one.
Yeah, they're all looking the same. It's a big smoke though. This one's super smoky. Look at that. Woo! That was smoky, right?
Yeah, that was very smoky.
I'm gonna try this Party Hardy.
Party hardy. Whoa. Ah! Ah!
That was fun.
Yeah. Woo!
Let's try the ladybug.
I was super excited about this one.
What does it do?
I don't know. Let's see if it's gonna look like a ladybug. Right now, it just looks like just red ball.
Yeah.
Oh, but look, kid. You see this little pointy thing?
Yeah.
Does it mean it's gonna spin?
Oh.
Like a Beyblade?
Oh. Fidget spinner.
Should I just do 2?
Oh, okay. I'm gonna go
3.
bold. Ooh.
Ready?
Yes.
Let's see if I can do 3 at the same
Oh
time.
my. Oh my. It's already going.
Hurry!
Oh no, Daddy. Daddy.
Guys?
Oh! It went way over here? What?
We have one more left. Yeah,
Hurry.
Whoa! I didn't know ladybugs just shoots up in the sky like that. Whoa. Where'd it go? It doesn't even come down.
Flew
It just
away.
disappeared, flew away.
Yeah, it went beyond.
Maybe it went to our neighbor house.
Went that way.
Oh, it went way over there? Oh. Next, Daddy's gonna try this called Silver Rain. Oh my. Everybody move. I don't see the silver color. Ah! Woo! Wow.
Mommy, I think they messed up. They tried to make the color silver, but they made them rainbow.
Oh, it does look rainbow, huh? They're gonna try to
point
draw
out, though.
something.
Here you go.
Oh, yeah. Happy New Year.
Drawing a circle.
I'm drawing a heart.
Oh, you guys see Ryan's heart? Whoa. I see the heart, yeah.
Look.
Wow.
Doctor Strange.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah, Dr. Strange.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Magic spell. Oh, yeah.
Oh, my magic's gone.
Yours gone? Whoa. No more magic.
Ready for the giant finale, neon candle.
Last year we didn't do this big, right?
Yeah, this is
the biggest firework we ever
huge.
tried. Oh!
Guys, let's run. Oh, it just shoots up. Very cool. That's pretty.
Yeah.
Nice. I liked it, that one. That's it.
Good.
That was good. Did you like it?
Yeah, that was very cool.
So this one's supposed to have a happy face, so a smiley face.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, move out. Move out, Ryan. Move out, Ryan. Move out. Whoa, that was super fast. Did you see?
Oh, I feel like it was upside down.
It was a frown face. Emma and Kate's home and they want to see some fireworks. So Daddy's over there. There's Emma. Hi, Emma. Too dark. Daddy's doing it. Are you ready, Kate? Yeah, okay, it's doing it. Whoa. Was that scary?
No, busy.
That was pretty. You like it? Yeah, you like it. Try something a little bit smaller for Emma and Kate to see. Whoa. Fire! Oh, you see Ryan? Look. Whoa, beautiful. What do you think? Good? Emma, you like it? You want to do it again? Well, that's a tank. Uh-oh, you stand far.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, no loud? No, never mind.
Oh, never mind.
That's it. One more?
Yeah.
One more. Look. Oh, that's it? Oh, Daddy's way, way over there. If you guys see, he's doing one, shoots in the air. Whoa.
Hey guys, Happy New Year.
Woo! Bye-bye 2019. Hello 2020. Wow! Woo! All right, let's pop some fireworks.
Whoa. Okay guys, we're outside and Daddy's doing the fireworks. Yo.
All right, guys, the fireworks is gonna be this one, the biggest one in the package. Woo!
Oh.
It's a gold star. All right, let's go. Get the fuse. All right, just watch out.
Woo! Happy New Year!
So guys, this year's New Year's Eve is a little bit different. We're not gonna just do fireworks only. We're also gonna test out the Kyber crystals on Lightsaber.
Whoa! Kyber crystals, they're gonna change my lightsaber color.
This one probably green. This one, I don't know, white. I never seen white lightsaber.
Right?
And yellow. All right, let's test it out.
First, I want to test out the yellow one.
All right, Ryan chose yellow.
Because I've never seen yellow before.
Are you worthy?
Wow.
This is a special crystal only chosen Jedi can use. Are you chosen one? Whoa. What's that color? Are you on the dark side? It's pretty dark outside, so maybe you're on the dark side.
No, I stole their lightsaber.
Oh, are you with the dark force like Kylo Ren?
No.
Oh.
Poopy force.
Alright, let's open this yellow Kyber crystal. Whoa, look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Oh!
Oh,
Crystal!
Daddy.
Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. So first, have you seen opening a lightsaber before?
I have.
Alright, let's open this up. And you see this crystal inside.
The red one.
So right now we have a red one. That's why you see a red lightsaber beam. Take that one out. Put the yellow one. Oh. A seal. Hear that sound?
Okay, let's test it. Put it out. 3, 2,
Watch out.
1.
Whoa! This is yellow! Look at that color! Ooh. Looks like a Mountain Dew.
Ryan does.
No, it's not Mountain Dew. Wow, this is cool.
Let's fight.
Oh, what? Lightsaber versus just bare hand? Okay.
Now my hands can regenerate really fast.
Zoom, 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 zoom. Alright guys, so let's do more fireworks and then we can come back to the next lightsaber color, right? Next fireworks will be...
Light magic.
Ooh. Ready. Let's fire it up.
Whoa! What'd you guys think?
That was cool.
That was cool.
You like it?
Yeah, it was
I'm defending myself now.
Oh, this one looks cool. Orange float.
Oh, so it's just like the lightsaber, but the lightsaber's orange and it's floating.
Yeah, pretty much.
Ooh.
Come on, get away, get away.
Oh, that's pretty beautiful. Woo! Happy New Year! Whoa! Whoa, how was that one?
That was super cool.
Epic. Well, let's try one more thing.
Whoa!
Super short.
What was that? Something fell. Oh,
What?
something fell off. Right?
Oh my gosh, I think somebody did fireworks and it fell right there.
Whoa, whoa. That was
That's
really
scary.
Cool.
Whoa.
Alright guys, we're gonna try another one. Let's see what this box does. Whoa. Beautiful Happy New Year.
Whoa! That was the best one.
Yeah.
Alright, so guys, I'm gonna put this white crystal. Ah, let's see. Oh. Is it gonna work?
You're not worthy.
Oh no, it's not lighting up. Oh. It's gonna work, let's see. I'm nervous. Never seen white lightsaber before, so it's gonna work. Well, it's just a myth.
I want to try it.
Oh, I should have found. It's registering. Alright, Ryan, you ready to try the legendary white lightsaber? Whoa.
Okay, I'm gonna try for the first time. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! It is really white.
Wait,
See
whose
the
team
light?
is this on? Is this like neutral?
Yeah.
So any of them can use it?
So cool.
Chow, chow,
I
chow.
think it's almighty because if you mix all different lights, different color lights, it becomes white.
Yep.
This is it. This is the almighty color.
Chow,
Whoa,
chow.
Whoa, whoa, be careful, Ryan.
Chow, chow.
Happy New Year!
So now we're gonna pop some fireworks before we head out on a trip, right?
Alright, ready?
So, yeah.
Set, go!
So we're gonna start out with just some poppers.
Whoa.
Warm up.
But I just dropped it.
I guess.
Oh yeah, mine just fell on the table.
Yeah. Woo! Nice throw, Emma. Nice throw, Daddy.
Explosion magic.
Whoa!
Explosion magic. Oh!
One more.
I want some.
Okay.
Mommy wants some too.
Ryan wants some more.
Yeah.
Emma wants some more.
I got two. Yeah, go, Kate. There you go. Like your dance.
It's done.
All right, guys, let's throw this. All right, I throw this. Ready?
Next, we're gonna do this sparkler. Just enough for everybody.
Yeah.
Ready? Alright, here you go. Each one get one. Alright, Kate, you wanna do it? Okay, I'll get double.
Ooh.
You do two at the same time.
There you go.
Nice.
Hold it there, yeah.
Go, Emma. You can hold it sideways, Emma. Just don't point at people. Whoa. Woo. Nice. You feel like you're Dragon Ball? Yeah. Like, woo, like you have magical powers. Yeah. You okay, Emma?
Daddy, I'm still on.
Nice. Look at Daddy in the back.
Strange.
Doctor Strange. Yeah, I see. Yes. That's so cool, right? Done. Power's over.
This time I'm gonna go bigger.
Ooh.
Sparkler, but bigger inside.
Go bigger or go home, right? I think we're home, but
Lightning.
you can watch with me, Kate, okay?
Can I tell you why you need a jacket?
Oh.
It's cold.
It is cold, yeah. There it is. One.
You can light it. You can light it.
Yay, go, Emma. Nice, go, Emma. It's your birthday. Ryan and Daddy. Yeah.
Look at this.
Nice. Oh my gosh, it's foggy everywhere. I cannot see anything.
Daddy, get the one.
Go, Daddy. Go, Emma.
Alright, this one's called fountain. So you sit this on the ground and let it just do the work.
Ooh, like that, Ryan?
Yeah. And
Yeah. You like that?
I don't want this now, so let's see. I guess I'll find out.
What is that, guys?
I have no clue. It says Roman candle.
Oh, okay. So candles?
There you go.
All right, Ryan's turn. Whoa. You like it? Yeah. All right, Emma's going to try. Go, Emma. Whoa. Woo. Go, Emma. Nice. Good job, Emma. Yeah. Okay, Kate, you want to try this one?
there you go.
Okay, hold it
Alright.
with me.
Okay, get ready.
Go, Kate. Whoa. Go, Kate.
You're gonna do it again.
Woohoo! I'm gonna do it again.
How was it sparkling?
Yeah. Whoa. Oh, the ground. Whoa. Yeah. Right? Drop it. All right, Emma's turn. Right. Kate's doing dance battle there. Whoa. Go, Emma. Woo. Nice. Kate's turn. Dance battle. in the air. That was good. All right, Daddy. Show us how it's really done.
Oh yeah, I'll show you how the master would do it.
Woo!
Kadabra, kadabra. Wingardium Leviosa. Alright guys, we're gonna try the fountain again because it was awesome.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Here it comes.
See, guys, look at all the smoke.
Whoa.
You see it?
Yeah.
All right, last sparkler.
Hey, don't point at my end. Okay, everybody slowly look at mommy slowly.
There you go. Woohoo! Happy New Year, guys.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. May your year, full of dreams come true, good health, and all that good stuff. Have fun with your friends and family. Woo. Any wish this year?
I'm gonna be healthy.
Yeah, that's
Everybody.
a good one.
I want my whole family to be healthy.
Aww. Any New Year resolution for you guys?
Be very cool.
Cool, you are cool. You're already cool. You're already cool.
Alright. 3 combined. 3 musketeers.
And
Oh, whoa.
Nice. Alright guys, we're gonna end today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
happy. Bye.
Bye.